it's not what's wrong with you, but what happened to you. Oprah, with that phrase, you just put the finger on the exact sore spot. As a society, we have not been asking the right question, and it's a life changer. As you said after your interview with Dr. Bruce Perry, who has done such fantastic work, that you understood that it's what's happened to us, what happened to us when we were small children. And the fact that a woman like you, who's been into, all the therapeutic approaches and all the new age therapies and other therapies for so long, imagine that it has taken all this time for you to discover this primordial information. That shows how our society is living in denial about what is really going on. And we have been searching for feel-good therapies, but they never worked. Like Carolyn Myss says, any new age therapy doesn't work. I mean, she's very clear about it. Now, the reason to send you this little video is because I think I have something that you would really appreciate knowing about, because I've developed a therapy and a system that is so exact that it can help us to understand what happened to us. And it takes away the guilt. It's not about what's wrong with us. It's a very exact model, and I recently did a TEDx talk on it, and we will send that to you also if you would like to get more details about it. But I would love to share this with you, because I think, like you, this information is a life changer. And I always say to my students, I would like to go up on the roof and take a little thing and, tell the world about this. We need to have this information. Thanks so much for listening and opening up, because I think this can be a life changer for everybody who gets in touch with this information. Thanks so much.